Alrighty folks, this is going to be a little bit of a raw video. I have an update for the Steam Wand. There's a different approach. Let me show you. So the chassis is in between. So this is at the bottom. You can see it here. And then the top nut's going to go there. Now I just need to put in this. It clears, needs a little tilt. Whoop. This is the L-shaped fitting. There's a lot less tubing needed going down. A little rundown. So as you can see, this nut and the brass nut are sandwiched now. So instead of in the bracket, they're sandwiching the chassis. And then because the chassis is folded here, this nut kind of sits crooked, not too much. Like the nut is too big, but there's a slight gap here. So whoever's a perfectionist might need like a plastic washer or something, or also plastic washer just so it doesn't destroy the chassis itself if you have like a red color like I do. The interesting thing starts here. So this is my first wand that I started bending. You can see the kink here. The bending was not working because it wanted to kink already on the pre-bent section. So you can see like where it starts bending, it just like start forcing more and more. I was like, okay, let me reassemble it, let me bend it back, but I already destroyed the tube shape. So now I needed to cut it off. Then I used the big pipe cutter. That destroyed it completely. And then I used the small one and I took my time and it cut it nicely. A little bit also crooked, but I was working with the already crooked one. This is where this comes in. So I tapped back in the threads. It's a very weird tap size, so I ordered it from AliExpress. I retapped it, I screwed it back in. I'm just showing you the option that there is a second option here, and you can see how much it was cut off. So there you have it. You have the bracket option, you have the cut in tap. It's up to you. We're still down this rabbit hole. This is the second version of the Profitec Go Steam Wand. Cut and tap, just screw it in. For some, it might be easier. Up to you. My name is Dule Rabbit. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Keep tinkering, guys.